What a strange world. Understanding the human mind is truly difficult. Every person, at some point in life, praises another person. They say, "Such a wonderful person. Their work is really good. Their way of speaking and behavior is excellent." But when that same person somehow hurts our self-respect, suddenly everything seems to change. The person who was considered so good just 2 days ago suddenly becomes, "They are a terrible person. Their work is not good. Their behavior is not good. They have no good qualities at all." It makes you wonder, did that person really change within just 2 days, or did our perspective toward them change? The truth is, many times we don't judge people by their character. Instead, we judge them based on how they behave with us. As long as they say things we like, respect us, support us, and act according to our expectations, we consider them a good person. But the day they disagree with us, hurt our ego or self-respect, or go against our wishes, suddenly they become a bad person. Perhaps this is one of the greatest weaknesses of human nature. So, before calling someone good or bad, take a moment to think. A person does not suddenly become good or bad in just one day. Situations change. Relationships change. Circumstances change. And along with them, our perception and judgment of that person often change too. What a strange world. Here, winning people's hearts is difficult. Keeping everyone happy is even more difficult. And living your life according to everyone's expectations is almost impossible. So, instead of trying to win everyone's approval, stay honest with your conscience. Hold on to your self-respect. Do not unnecessarily belittle anyone. And never judge someone simply because they no longer behave the way you want them to. Because the person you are calling bad today may be the very same person you once said was truly a wonderful human being. Life is not meant to be spent judging others. Life is meant to become a better person, stay true to yourself, and live with a good heart.